So I'm going to show you something here. This is my air conditioner at home. So last night about 11 p.m. we noticed it wasn't working, and you may notice down here inside this control panel, I opened that up to see what was going on, and I pulled all of this mouse nest out of there. And you can actually, if you look closely, you can actually see there's still a dead mouse in there. It had crossed the contactor and it got electrocuted, so it was dead. So that was my project last night, and I'll show you there's a contactor that was also a problem, so I'll show you that on the workbench. So there's the contactor that failed. I've actually taken it apart, but with these parts are actually inside there. So it's basically a switch, electrical switch contactor. And because the mouse nest had been in there for a while, what happened, you can see these points here. This actually sits on top of these and pulls up and down, goes up and down, making contact. But you can see the condition of those contacts. These contacts were not actually making a connection, so I wasn't getting the proper power to the compressor and the condenser fan, so it wasn't operating. So luckily, my son Ben, who was still in the industry, still in the business, gave him a quick call, and he had a replacement one in his truck that I was able to get from him. So replaced that late last night, got my AC working again. The woes of the air conditioning technician dealing with, and you can actually see on the contactor, you can actually see there's still some mouse residue on there. So those are the things you run into every once in a while.